hay mound.
Look at that little dog.
He does it all. Cute old boy.
Yeah. Ooh, most desirable hay. What else do we got her, Mom?
Her treats.
Yep. That's what she wants. The lady gets. Okay, so I've grabbed her a handful since she's not used to it. But she has had it, we just ran out. Okay, here he is. Oh, she's eating some, Mom. What do you think of that? Oh yeah, we love it. Look at that boy. He is so cute. I love hearing goats chew. I don't know why. You have a person chewing next to me, I'll stab him. I love hearing a goat chew. No, we have an escapee. I'll run away. Are we giving Party some clover? Everybody loves it. All right, let me catch him. Okay, I can't get it far enough away. There we go. This is a 7-week-old baby. And here we have a, what, 3-day-old baby?
Yeah. I don't know if you can see it.
If you can tell, but look at how tiny he is. He's like a fifth of the size. Oh my gosh, he's so heavy. Animal crackers for Irish. Come here. He just has different tints of places on him that make me think he's got. Yeah, it really looks like he's got black brown spots on him. Yeah. I wonder. Gosh, this is so crazy. He's like he's smaller than Party's babies, and they couldn't get on the bale until they were like a week old, I swear. What a gloomy morning. Welcome to still winter. Oh, Vito's getting let in. Ready to go do chores? You ready to do chores, Mom?
Oh yeah, I'm ready to do chores.
Okay, so it's April 24th. Days have no meaning anymore. But let's see. This is going to be a continuation of the vlog from February. Chicken hell? Oh. Chicken health. Okay, so we're gonna update you on what's happened since then. And here comes our first update. Miss Betty Davis size. Oh no, that's Marilyn. Dang it! That would have been so good. Betty's usually in the barn because they figured out how to fly in through the horse feeder holes.
Which is remarkable.
I know, but they can't seem to fly back out that way, so we have to then let them out of the barn. We have our bottle for Gypsy, although that's not what her new owners are gonna call her. One of Party's babies.
Remember me.
I don't know.
Or I feel pretty, but
Here's an update on the babies and all the goats. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, spilling milk all over the place. Oh, like I told you, here she is. And I don't know if you can see, but she's only got a little nothing. Ah, Betty. And that's Marble with her. Okay, so here's Irish and her little boy. We haven't named him yet. If anybody has any good Irish themed boy names, let us know. And we have Ruby over here. This is where she likes to lay her egg. And Betty has laid her egg right here. Marvel's going back in. Okay, first update are these monsters. Hi, party girl. All right, Gypsy, here you go. Okay, Gypsy's being bottle fed. This is Ripple. They're all sold and they're all 7 weeks old. They're all 7 weeks old today, actually. Nope, today's Friday. Dang it. Today's Friday, Mom. I know. Okay, so she just never figured out how to nurse, so she gets a bottle, but the other two nurse really well. And here's Party Girl. Huh?
Oh gosh, look at your mom.
I'm too lazy to actually go in there and feed her because they're piranhas and then they get out. And then it's hard to catch them. Oh, it's hard to get any work done with that thing. He is just so cute. Irish, your baby is so cute. Okay. And then over here, okay, so we have a camera that we watch for goat kidding, and it's hooked up right here, so we have to follow the cord all the way to this pole, and it's mounted up there. Mom's getting food because we've moved all the feed up to the loft because Scarlett is due this week or next week. And so she is giving us a lot of signs telling us she's actually pretty close. Okay, and now I'll show you the party pen. Well, it's not Party's pen. We have a goat named Party, so that kind of gets confusing. Anyway, this is the pen where all the girls that aren't giving birth or have given birth soon are stationed. Here we go. Zoe, she is 11 years old, so she has been retired, even though she would really like to have a baby. Red, who is very pregnant. Hi, baby girl. She's been very affectionate lately, which is actually not super abnormal, but even more affectionate. And then this little monster is Marigold. That's Red's baby from last year. And then there's Sandy, who is, we bought her when we bought Irish, so she's kind of new, so none of these are her friends yet. Well, except Marigold is her friend a bit. So, but Zoe's nice to everyone, so she hangs out with Zoe. I'm gonna feed the big boys. That's the cutest butt. This is my horse, so he's muddy. And then the smaller big boys. Okay, this is literally the only way I can film them without them mauling me. But this is Mr. Stunning. He's got blue eyes. He is the dad to Party's babies. And then this is Snoopy, or Tides of Honey is his registered name. And he is the dad to Red's babies, so we're so excited because they're going to be hopefully white and orange. How cute. We feed Stag out here because he just runs around and never eats. He just runs from bowl to bowl and never actually eats anything. All right, there you go. You want some hay, Snoop? Oh my goodness. You guys are so cute. So Stag is a little guy. He's 2 years old. He's gonna knock over his bucket. Great. Love bucks. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get any pictures of Party without her babies just mauling the camera. There's Party. Oh my goodness. Okay, fine. You can tell she's got a little bit of hair loss on her back. And that's just a hormonal thing that she loses a little bit of hair on her back. Every year when she's pregnant, And it comes right back. Her skin's perfectly beautiful. We don't know why it happens. I just gotta show you how Irish, Lily's right here. And Irish snorts at her. Anything that comes near her baby, she snorts.
The cat.
Puts her, look, the cat's here. She snorts and she like stops eating and she's just so overprotective. That cat's not gonna get your baby. And since she just had one, we are keeping an eye on her udder to make sure that he's nursing from both sides. And if he's not, we'll have to step in and milk her, which is gonna be so fun because she hates the milk stand. So I'm gonna pick him up and she's gonna go crazy. Irish, he's just right here. Look at how cute he is. Oh my goodness. He's so calm when you pick him up too. Some babies really hate it. Irish, you're okay. Look at her snorting at me. Okay, here he is. Here he is. She needs to chill. But she's a really good mom. I'll take being overprotective over being uninterested. Alright, there's Scarlett over there. She's due in what, 3 days?
Yep.
She is not very big. Look at Zoe's more pregnant. And she's not pregnant. She's out to get those babies, man. Birdie, are your babies driving you crazy? Yep, that little buckling. Look at that one. She's so cute. Red. She's about a month, right?
Yeah. Well, no, she's due May 8th, 5 or 6.
Oh, she's got a few weeks then. 2 weeks. Everybody's happy. We're so happy it's warm out. I'm happy. Marigold. Right. Let's catch some horses. Oh, Matty. I know Magic just whacked his head. We're really muddy and hairy. I don't know if you can tell. But he's got like chunks of hair that are just coming out. I'm gonna be hairy. Oh, this is Moonstruck. He's 20 years old, which makes me so sad. He's a 20-year-old spotted saddle horse. You can tell because of the spots. And that's Magic. He's 15 years old, and he's a national show horse, or he's half Arab. 3/4 Arab, 1/4 saddlebred. And my oh my, does that saddlebred dominate. Look at that short neck. That's not an Arab or a saddlebred thing.
No, I don't know where that came from.
Oh my gosh, the babies are zipping. They're zipping, bud.